colossal, nearly 2,000-mile-wide object lurking near Saturn. Classified NASA footage, locked away for decades, now suddenly released by the US Army. Claims of an alien civilization right in our own solar system. This stunning NASA video is sparking intrigue and debate around the world. But is it definitive proof of extraterrestrial life or an elaborate hoax? Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind this mind-blowing footage that may forever change our understanding of the universe. The footage in question allegedly shows a massive UFO estimated to be almost 2,000 miles wide, lurking near Saturn's rings. It was obtained from NASA's archives by the US Army, who surprisingly released it to the public in late 2022. According to reports, the footage was captured in the 1980s by NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft as it conducted its historic flyby of Saturn. The video shows a gigantic cigar-shaped craft with an arched body and glowing lights hovering over the gas giant's rings. When the US Army publicly uploaded the NASA clips on its Freedom of Information Act database, it sent shockwaves through the UFO community. Some researchers had long speculated that NASA and other government agencies were hiding evidence of alien life, but none expected an official release of this magnitude, seemingly confirming the existence of a huge extraterrestrial spacecraft right on our cosmic doorstep. Unsurprisingly, the footage sparked massive debate. Some believed it was definitive proof of an advanced alien civilization using Saturn as a base. But skeptics questioned the video's authenticity, suggesting it could be fake CGI or even a natural phenomena misinterpreted. NASA remained ambiguous, stating it cannot verify the origin of the video but will analyze it further. The US Army provided little context, only claiming the footage was obtained for research purposes. While its true nature is uncertain, one thing is clear. This NASA video has ignited the public's curiosity about the possibility of alien life and renewed scrutiny of government UFO knowledge. The ripples of this astonishing footage are only beginning to spread. The video shows a massive cigar-shaped object estimated to be almost 2,000 miles in length, slowly hovering among Saturn's rings. The UFO has an arched, smooth metallic body with distinct edges and bulbous ends. Rows of bright, glowing lights can be seen along its ventral surface. What's most striking is its sheer mammoth size, nearly as wide as Earth's moon. Yet, the physics-defying craft moves gracefully, making slight shifts in its orientation over time. Freeze frames show the rings of Saturn peering through the craft's arches, confirming its position. The footage aligns with pilot accounts of a similar gigantic UFO encountered during NASA's Saturn flyby. These astonished astronauts described a miles-wide metallic spacecraft hovering over the rings, which matched the video's object. Several anomalies suggest an artificial, intelligently controlled origin. Firstly, its shape and symmetry don't conform to any known natural space body. The craft's sleek geometric form and its brightly lit, rigid structure implies an underlying internal skeleton. Experts are stunned by its capabilities. Astrophysicist Dr. Michio Kaku commented, "This object can only be explained as utilizing highly advanced propulsion technology to maneuver a craft of this enormous mass." While its true nature is uncertain, to many space scientists, this footage represents the most compelling evidence yet of interstellar vehicles visiting our solar system. But is the NASA video authentic? Experts have analyzed its metadata and imaging details, finding no obvious signs of CGI or doctoring. Of course, skepticism remains, and some believe a hoax is still possible. There are also theories it could show some natural megastructure coincidentally resembling an alien craft. With no official confirmation from NASA, the video remains an enduring mystery. But if proven genuine, it could confirm we're already being visited by ET civilization vastly more advanced than humanity. Either way, the Pandora's box is now open, and these stunning NASA images will not be forgotten anytime soon. Naturally, most discussion around this video centers on the idea that it shows an extraterrestrial spacecraft. This would line up with speculation about Saturn's moon possibly harboring alien life. Several moons, like Enceladus, contain warm underground oceans, offering conditions potentially suitable for basic biology. If an advanced civilization arose in Saturn's neighborhood, some theorists argue they may have constructed a large space station or interstellar vehicle within the planet's rings. The video's craft may be such a megastructure designed for traversing huge stretches of space. But there are also more skeptical perspectives. This footage could depict some previously unknown natural phenomena rather than an alien ship. Saturn's rings contain unique gravitational and electromagnetic forces that form odd megastructures like moonlets and clumps. Under specific lighting conditions, could these forces create optical illusions appearing artificial? However, astrophysicists like Dr. Brian Cox argue that only an intelligently engineered vehicle could possess the videocraft's symmetry and smooth motion. In his view, no natural forces could not create such an immaculate, physics-defying form. Non-ET explanations also include the idea of a secret military spacecraft built using technology concealed from the public. Aviation experts note similarities between the UFO's shape and alleged US black-budget spy planes like the TR-3B Aurora. But skepticism remains about Earth having this level of spaceflight capability as far back as the 1980s. Of course, there is also the chance this is an elaborate hoax using CG-1 to fool the public. But the video's consistency with Saturn flyby astronaut accounts makes deliberate fakery seem unlikely. Intriguingly, the UFO's characteristics loosely matched the Black Knight satellite conspiracy theory, a supposed 13,000-year-old alien satellite orbiting Earth. While generally dismissed by scientists, some wonder if perhaps this myth was confused with a genuine but classified alien craft spotted near Saturn's moons. Ultimately, the video's authenticity remains uncertain, but if proven real, it may force humanity to recognize we're not alone in the cosmos. Most experts agree that statistically, advanced civilizations likely exist elsewhere. So while shocking, confirmation of an alien presence in our solar system aligns with our scientific understanding of the vast unexplored universe. If authentic, this video carries world-shifting implications. It raises urgent questions. Why would the US Army publicly release such explosively sensitive material showing an apparent alien spacecraft? Some posit government officials wanted to gradually acclimate the public to the reality of extraterrestrials, rather than hide the truth forever. A managed gradual disclosure program would help avoid panic over the knowledge that we're already being visited. Of course, many also accuse the government of a decades-long cover-up. If extraterrestrials were already here, why was this footage buried for so long? True believers call for transparency and a full reveal of what NASA knows. Confirmation of intelligent aliens in our solar system would profoundly reshape humanity's place in the universe. No longer the lone oasis of life, we would know our galactic neighborhood is inhabited. It would confirm the high probability that ET civilizations exist across the wider cosmos too. Scientifically, it would revolutionize our models of physics, biology, and evolution. If these visitors mastered interstellar travel long ago, their technology might seem almost godlike compared to ours. Humanity's squabbles would suddenly appear trivial amidst a far grander galactic community. Unsurprisingly, official reactions to the video have been cagey. A NASA spokesperson emphasized it cannot verify the footage's authenticity or source, though some at NASA are likely ecstatic at potential evidence of alien life. Likewise, the Pentagon has been vague while not outright denying the video's legitimacy. Officials clearly want to assess public response before making any declarative statement on still classified material. For now, they are neither confirming nor denying the apparent UFO presence. Among the public, responses run the gamut, from exhilarated to skeptical to fearful. Some are convinced this finally proves the existence of aliens. Others call for caution until more facts emerge, and some are deeply unsettled by the thought of an advanced civilization with inscrutable motives seemingly monitoring our planet. But one thing is undeniable. This NASA footage has ignited global fascination, speculation, and controversy, and as humanity grapples with its implications, our gaze turns skyward with renewed awe and wonder. What are your thoughts on this stunning NASA footage? Could it really show proof of an advanced alien civilization near Saturn? Or is there a more ordinary explanation behind these images? Let us know your theories in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mission Universe for more captivating space content. The mysteries of the universe are deep, but together we can unravel them. See you on the next cosmic journey.